In this video, we're gonna show you how to replace the air filter on a Ford Fiesta ST. To start off, this is where our air filter is at. It's underneath this cover. We're gonna go ahead and remove this sensor by pushing up on this red tab. You push up, it releases, and then you just wiggle out. And we have a T20 Torx bit. We're gonna go ahead and we're going to loosen these screws. And they're captive, so just loosen them and leave them like that. Once they're loose, just wiggle the cover up and you can remove the air filter. And we're going to gently lift this up and we're going to place our K&N filter inside here. And the important part is to make sure that everything's lined up. And then we're going to start working our screws down. I'm going to get each one started just to make sure that it's in the right place. And then I'm going to tighten them down. And all you have to do is when they stop, you stop, and they're tight. We're gonna go ahead and put our connector back in and press down the red tab. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Make sure you check out our other DIY maintenance and upgrade videos. We appreciate you watching. You take care, and we'll see you soon.